And hang on, this is Hollywood. Anything is possible in Hollywood, so we're going to part the Red Sea right before your very eyes. You ready, Eugene? Wonder Twin Powers, activate! And that, the waters are magically parting. Just like in the motion picture The Ten Commandments, starring Charlton Heston. Now, they used a combination of optical effects combined with a couple hundred people marching down a dirt road. He would just pump the water out of the way. Take a look at this.
Don't put it down.
Well, that's just it, Trevor. We get these all the time in Southern California. Nothing to worry about. Well, okay, there's that. Ladies and gentlemen, remain seated. Keep your place of entrance side of the trail. Hang on to something. Thirsty, how about a drink for you and your men? Well, then don't panic. There's plenty of water for everybody. That's wild, dude. That's wild. Let's see if they can explain this. You know, I read somewhere that when sharks are about to attack, they submerge or dive. I know that guy, that's George, or Jorge. That's one of our best police divers. And ladies and gentlemen, don't try this at home. This man's a trained professional. Does this 5 or 6 times a day. I've seen it. He's got a lot of guts out there. And there they are. You know something? We attached them rough roast to that yellow barrel. Let's see if the shark takes the bait.
They come to you.
It took the bait. And the beer, too. Oh, my spidey sense is tingling.
Hold on to my...
Oh, that flammable liquid doesn't ignite. Like that. Yeah, this tour is just full of surprises. That shark could be anywhere. Have those cameras ready. That's hot. What's that? It's a shark! Hey, you wanted a window seat. Yeah, this tour is just full of surprises. And water and shark. And we come across another interesting neighborhood. It's Whoville on your right. From the motion picture doctors, this is how the Grinch Stole Christmas. We used 12 sound stages for this movie. These are the only sets used outside of a sound stage for this scene with Christine Baranski. You know, I can't help but thinking that there's something sinister to that effect. Now, the house is not a facade like we showed you earlier. It's what we call a shell, as in seashell. Got the whole house on the outside, detail and all, absolutely nothing on the inside. All the interiors are filmed inside the sound stages, except Mother magically appears in the second-story window. This is where Forrestal cashed in, one of my competitors. He was good. He was very, very good. I don't see anything in here. Of course, it's really dark. Oh, wait a minute. What's that? Oh, now we've done it. Alright, we've been rushing Bulletkhurst. Oh, Bulletkhurst is over. That wasn't so bad. Wait a minute. Something's covering up the lights. Something not us. Why does the floor move? Scarabeetles. Why does it have to be scarabeetles? They're all over the tram. They're in everything. They're biting me. Oh, not there! Oh, mama! Oh, wait a minute. Those bugs took my shades and my cap. And my wallet. What a week I have it.
After we snapped it.